Naghahanap ka ba ng beachfront hotel sa Boracay na luxurious, best to stay at cheapest Henan Resort? Welcome to Henan Regency Resort Spa Boracay. So we booked 3 rooms and use our group promo codes for an additional discount. One of the rooms is the deluxe room, which features 40 square meters, 1 single and 1 queen size bed, free Wi-Fi, coffee, tea, bathroom, and many more. The other room type is a premier room, which is almost the same as the deluxe room, but this room has its own sofa and balcony. And of course, with all of the basic things that you're going to see in a room. And finally, my favorite, the junior suite with direct pool access. This room features 1 king-size bed, Nespresso coffee machine. You also get access to Henan Lounge. Pero promise guys, pinangarap ko talaga itong moment na to. At finally, natupad ko siya with my family. Very cozy ang lighting dito sa gabi. And of course, napaka-comfy ng bed. Good morning Boracay and Henan Regency. And it's time to go to Sea Breeze Cafe. Sabi nila, best buffet daw ito sa Boracay. At super agree talaga ako. Sobrang daming pagpipilian at wala akong matanda na hindi masarap. O yan, breakfast by the beach. Hala si mami, mukhang yayamanin na oh. Feeling mayaman in few days. Bonding time din with kids. Lahat ng suite type of room may libreng access sa Henan Lounge. Meron silang libreng food sa loob. And of course, hindi mawawala ang pag-workout natin sa gym. So guys, book mo na si Henan Regency Boracay with my group promo codes because this is an insane hotel. Let's go!